Don't just go like that, you know.
Engineer Olajide, it's my pleasure having you here. Welcome to Street Chronicles with Faxyman. Quick one, I want to ask you just a few questions. Okay, una go hear word is an adage by Faxyman. What is the definition to you? Una go hear word.
Una go hear word means una go hear word.
Wisdom. Quick one. What do you understand by this adage by Faxyman? Una go hear word.
Yeah, you must learn a lesson.
You want to take me to back when I was still trying to cross, so I would have more sense. Good one. Nice one. Una go hear word is an adage by Faxyman. What's your definition of una go hear word?
Oh, they better go far, bro.
Now why would they hear that?
I said that go far when they see us. I don't guys know what you ask.
Una go hear word.
Because Nigeria don't hear it.
You mean that?
I said no.
I said they hurt you. Well, that one day. Kofa, that one day. Yeah, nice one, man. That's about now. What do you or what's your definition about the adage that Faxyman says? Una go hear word.
Okay. Yes, we got hear word.
Will you keep quiet?
Well, any meaning to it, what does it mean to you? Or how can you relate it?
Okay, we go hear word. We say we are the hear word already for this country.
What make you the hear word?
Every day we dey see how.
Are you serious?
Let's open our nyashes.
As you find like this, so.
Okay. 5 people to join home. People know the hear word.
I go no.
They supposed hear word. I don't suppose hear word pass.
Please. You don't know what you did.
Hello. Shanomi, Ejo,
Now that's supposed to hear word
Saloba. I come to Street Chronicles with Faxyman. So today, I will just ask you brief questions, okay? So, as it is now, una go hear word.
Go here.
Now Faxyman added with that.
Yes.
What's your definition of una go hear word?
Faxy. You never hear that song? Who no go no. So who no hear go hear. You see, if the drums the beat, now only person who hear do like this. When they hear, but when they hear open, you go hear.
Whoa. Nice one.
You get it?
Straight to the second question. The second question is this. This is another adage by Faxyman. Vroom is better than statement. Vroom is better than statement. What does it mean to you?
Thanks.
What's your definition?
My brother, vroom. I think it's the better thing to do. Vroom.
This man, and then we say this land, this Western land. Akbari, Polo too much.
It's wisdom.
Yeah, that's one. So second question now, I say, now mouth, they take chop gala. What did that one mean to you?
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Say we don't face shaggy now.
We don't face shaggy. Shaggy na chicky leg I do, and also shaggy chicky leg.
We don't face shit for the time, you know.
Aye, man, that is one thing though. Now I will ask you another question. So, and this question I say, they say when monkey go market, you know go return. What it mean to you? Relate and to life.
Faxy, that one for evil doers. You don't hear what they say 99 days for the thief, 1 day for the owner. You know? Now what do you mean? Say 99 days for the thief, 1 day for the owner. What you ask me? Say 1 day monkey go market. You know go. The monkey don't they go before. You understand?
Yes.
1 day go go. You know, come back. Now, in there, interpret for good. You know, say they speak Pidgin English. Yes. Now, for good English, they say 99 days for the thief, 1 day for the owner.
That is 100 days. Still not see. You join. Thank you very much.
You follow.
You know, Agbari man. You get mad. All right, now. So now, second question for the day. What do you understand by say now bush the born monkey?
Okay, what I understand be say monkey belongs to the bush.
So bush self belongs to monkey. Now
Yes.
what they may be that?
Yes.
How did they get all these things self? Were you here and went and came back again?
I was in this life and went and came back again.
Hey! Are you serious? Okay, I will give you Snapchat. Just 1 inch before I go through. Statement. No worry, this one you know go bite you, This one go cool for your body. Yes. So now street proverb with this street proverb. Now I want to ask you now.
Okay.
Not be person with they fly higher, not be the chop better one. What's it mean to you? How does it resonate with you?
You say fly high and chop better worm.
Yes.
Say na eagle they fly high. Say big eagle will come to find worm kakiri.
You are under arrest.
Even a small chicks, small birds flying just a little high.
If you ask me,
Me and the fish say na eagle.
now who I go ask? Spend away the grass.
I really feel that eagle. You're probably talking
An
about.
eagle.
Yeah.
Thank you. The last one, I'll give you just the last one.
Your boy
you understand?
your boy
Which street in Lagos is associated with entertainment industry?
By the way, what is your educational balance?
I did not speak English. Student career. Student career. Yes,
Wait, nah, never give you option. You're the
Student carry. You don't give me option. We don't do the talori everything. We don't do plenty things for student. I dey tell you. Inside student TBS, I dey tell you now. Yes, now. Test the Balogun Stadium. No, they there. It ain't there.
Then you say TBS
Tell me.
Okay, thank you very much. But I would like to give you option. Man, help you small.
Like I dey hear you.
So we get Ikeja Allen Avenue.
Okay.
We get Surulere,
Okay.
Adere Ogusoya, and at the same time we get Oshodi, Ajawo Estate. Which one?
Wait. You call waiting.
Ikeja Allen Avenue.
That on a phone, computer, laptop, everything I did in the one.
Okay. And I
You
call
can't call Oshodi. Now they are borrow food every anything they find out borrow now they.
Continue.
entertainment. I tell you about.
But when you call Surulere, I'm not saying a day entertainment day. What you tell
Oh, yeah, give me name of entertainer as well. Come out for there.
I came from there. I'm saying no from there. There's only lot from there. They tell you people come out from there. What you want to tell me now?
By people, make una follow. Hear word for a matter. If follow, we no follow.
He follow.
Over
I say who know here?
Go here. Which street in Lagos is known for its exercise proficiency?
Street, I don't
Don't just go like that, you know.
No, she wasn't ready.
So, what is historical event happened in Lagos Island, Tinubu Square precisely?
That question hard. Oh.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
So you don't come here before and you go and you know everything. I beg. I say, what historical event happened on Tinubu Square?
Faxyman, that one pass me power.
This foolishness you are displaying does not look good on you.
Una go here. Whoa! Let me give you the last one for the day. The last question for the day. Yes. In this Lagos state, which street precisely is the birthplace of Nigerian music?
Give me an option.
Okay, I will extend it. Ikeja, Surulere, Lagos Island.
Lagos Island.
Ikeja, Surulere.
Wheezy. Let's go. I'll go with Surulere.
Who goes see them at?
You go with Surulere.
I'll go with Surulere.
Faxyman, you know, because you're my guy. Faxyman is a very lenient. Because you're my guy. So, Expo on the way. So, your last chance. Give and take. Which one?
Lagos Island. Wheezy. Surulere.
Surulere.
Oh, yeah. Island.
No. Bros. Let's go now. Your last chance, and I'm done.
Lagos Island.
Why?
Because I know many artists that came from Lagos Island.
Mention.
Olodade Asake. I think I do really a lot of Asake.
So pick one. Which street in Lagos is famous for its textile trade?
God help me now that day. God help me.
Textile trade.
Yes.
Famous streets in Lagos.
Yes.
Is it like big market, like Siemens or trade fair?
However, just the streets or locality that is famous for its textile trade.
How do I know that street? I would just say famous market or famous street. Let's just say Siemens.
Siemens.
It's the biggest market in Lagos. I think it's like one of the biggest.
Your last chance.
Take it
away. Siemens. Thank you very much. You've done very well, and I appreciate your courage, your doggedness to focus and as well appear on this interview.
That's well. Nightlife is not easy, but you have to put the hard work, you know, put the interest, the knowledge, the creative, you know, for it to make it big, you know.
Yeah, I feel you.
Yeah, so we keep on pushing.
I feel your work, man. Just in case you don't know, is a lifestyle and night entertainer, promoter, show promoter. The meetings happen in Lagos, Nigeria, and Africa. This is 10, man. So,
10
last question.
11:59.
Yeah. Greet your fans. Greet your fans.
Yeah, I really thank you for the 2 times for today. You know, I really appreciate, you know, that the business is already in the street. You know, the street blog. I really appreciate for the street blog interview.
Tell them.
I appreciate, yeah.
When they hear what? Tell them.
Maybe not hear what, though.
Now go hear what?
Follow up.
We are still here vibing and all that, trying to find out what's happening in Lagos. How well you know Lagos, okay? So if you say you know Lagos, hit me up, Faxyman. We're coming to you, coming to your locality, and make sure when I go hear what. Tell your street vibes. Let's go now.